kind of look like I'm taking a life touch picture. Remember when you went to school and you have to take a picture for your parents or whatever? Right? Hi guys, my name is Sarian and today is a great day. You know why? Because we're alive, that's why. But, okay, so the last tutorial I did, I was like, you know what? I have not done a dramatic makeup look like that in so long. So I'm feeling quite inspired to just kind of keep it going because, you know, I don't want this to fade out. Anyways, so for foundation, I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation with, of course, my Clarisonic brush. I'm looking ultra dry as I sit here drinking coffee instead of water. I am taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I, for some reason, have a hard time saying that. Placing it under here, around my nose. Center of my nose, middle of my forehead. God damn. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just so dry. You probably can't tell, but up close. It's like, girl, you need some water. I was gonna do like a green eyeshadow look today because I really don't know what I'm gonna do, so I'm just kind of stalling. But I feel like I have a lot of green going on, so maybe I should pass on that idea. Here we go, one more time. Everybody's feeling fine. Here we go now. Once I have that all blended out, I now go in with my Lancome. I use this to contour. I've been using this to contour, and I really like it. Get that double chin. Then I use my Clarisonic to blend my contour out. This is the NARS Soft Velvet Loose Powder in Beach. I like this powder for my setting powder. It just doesn't make me look super crepey and dry underneath the eyes. It's what has been working for me. Just using my sponge and set the under eye. Sides of my nose as well. I do right in here to set, just to kind of give, like, highlight right here to give a more chiseled jawline effect. Chisel me up. Primed my eyes. I use the Makeup Forever. I set it aside. It's the Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer number 4 is what I use to prime my eyeballs. I really like it as a primer. It works well for me. I want to play with like a different shape today as far as my eyes go. So I'm using a piece of Scotch tape. I'm putting it on the back of my hand to get rid of all of the stickiness because I don't want it to pull too hard on my eyes. If you use this technique, just don't do it all the time because it can like tug at your eyelid, which essentially in the long term can cause fine lines and wrinkles. So let's see, I'm gonna do it at like an angle. So it's at an angle, boom, shakalaka. This is the Morphe 3502. I'm just moving the tape. I want it to be more here. And I'm not necessarily like pushing the tape down on my eyebrow because I don't want to rip anything out. I just want to use this. And then if I mess up, I could always use a Q-tip to clean up the edge, which essentially you probably could do, but I already did my face. So that's where I messed up. I think I'm gonna play with this bottom row. So I'm gonna start with this shade right here. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. This looks crazy. But let me just do the other eye and put on some lashes and let's see what it looks like once it's more like finished. Because I'm curious to see where this is gonna go as well. Trust me. I was debating on stopping because I was like, I don't know if this is anything. Let's just keep going. I'll be right back. I look like an evil villain. I've been sitting here forever because, well, like, I was sitting here and then trying to do the other eye, and then I got really hungry and I was like, okay, I should go eat. So then I got some pizza. I've been just sitting here watching Netflix, and then I was like, oh yeah, wait, I'm in the middle of a video. Maybe I should just like hit record and like finish what I was doing. And that, my friends, is how I just wasted 2 hours. My apologies. Added some eyelashes. These eyelashes are by Violet Voss, and they're called Fluff It Like It's Hot. Okay. I like on the side of this box it says handmade with non-US materials. Why don't they just say made in China? But okay. Normally I use the MAC Sculpt powder to contour, but I can't find it. I misplaced it. But I will use the Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder. I think I want to add some blush. So this is the NARS Intensely. Super pretty. Ooh. A lot of you guys were asking if I ended up liking that Morphe palette in my last story because it was technically like a first impression. I've never used Morphe before. There's a goddamn gnat in here. But I like that palette. I think it's nice. Some of those shimmers are quite dull, but I mean overall it's a nice palette. I don't have a discount code, so I'm not trying to like sell you on it. Don't worry. Now the only thing I need to figure out is how to zoom on this goddamn camera. I know it zooms. It's kind of annoying me because it's a nice camera, so obviously it zooms. Doing YouTube is hard. Okay, I'm going to highlight my face, and this one, yeah. This is a Sleek Makeup highlighting palette. What color lip should I do with this? I'm a little torn. This eye looks really cool. This is more of a creative look and not necessarily an everyday look, obviously. So before anyone wants to say that they could never wear this, I'm just showing some creativity and hopefully inspiring you to play. That's all. I'm lining my lips with the MAC lip liner in Heroine, followed by Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in Some Nerve. This is such a cute lip combo. I don't know why I never wear it. And then for shits and giggles, I want to see what this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte liquid lipstick in Kitten Paw. Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Goddamn motherfucking gnat. There's a gnat in here and it's pissing me off. Not you saying, it's the gnat. Do you see the gnat? All damn day it's been in here. I think I got it. Now there's 2. Anywho, so this is a finished look. I hope that you like it as much as I do. I'm on this like creative streak, so let's just keep it going. I feel like if they remade Mars Attacks, which they probably will, and it's probably gonna suck, but if they remake it, I feel like I would be one of the aliens, right? I mean, not to toot my own horn. They better not redo Mars Attacks, okay? I love this wig. It's slipping off. Hold on. I hope you guys really like this tutorial. Also, have a great day today, okay? Just do it for me. Make good choices. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can hang out and be best friends. I'm on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. You know, there's so many things. I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon. Bye.